Make them boy a trick you, I tell you say anything them no give you. They'll poison you. Merengue, me I eat merengue seed. Okay. I'll third one this. So if you poison me, remember say uno. Uno I got there, you know. And you help poison me to kill you. It tastes like medicine. And my first time I eat them, but just know say if them poison me, uno poison me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See the merengue. You don't watch me, you know. I just say all them things I meat. And them boy don't want me to eat meat. They want me to kill dead body, dead animal. When you have a cup of merengue seed and drink some water, man. Antioxidant, man, poison every bad things in the system, man. I fifth one this. If me dead later on, remember, I saw you not kill me, you know.